I get this question all the time. Devin, when should a solo creator stop customizing every video and commit to a stricter faceless template? The short answer is the moment customization is slowing output more than it is improving performance. Here's the decision rule I'd use. Look at your last 10 videos. If most of them already follow a similar structure, but each one still takes too long because you keep reinventing the visuals, pacing, or edit style, that's your signal. Especially if the custom work is not creating a clear lift in click-through rate, retention, or comments. A simple framework. Standardize when 3 things are true. 1. Your topic format is repeatable. 2. Your bottleneck is production, not ideas. And 3. Your winners are winning because of the topic and hook, not because of some totally unique edit. At that point, lock a template for the next 20 videos. Keep only 3 things flexible. The title angle, the first 5, second hook, and the main proof or example. Standardize the rest. Scene rhythm, visual style, music rules, transitions, and CTA placement. If you're using Satira as the workflow layer, this is exactly where a stricter template helps because it turns your channel into a system instead of a new creative project every upload. So don't switch when you're bored. Switch when variation has become expensive and mostly cosmetic.